button called sum one row that will find and output the sum of the marks for student 3. Oh, I just want to find the sum of the marks for student 3. I'm only interested in student 3. I removed my annotations, so okay. So I'm just interested in, I've got all my students. This is student 1, this is student 2, this is student 3, 4, and 5. But I just want to sum up that student. I'm not interested in any of the other students. So again, you ask yourself the question, do I need a nested loop? Because remember, the nested loop is going to take me to every cell. In this instance, I'm focusing only on student 3. So here we can solve this with just one loop. And you're going across your columns 4 times. So that's your C loop. For C, assign the value 1 to 4, do, begin. You want to find the sum. So create an accumulator, and sum is sum plus. Now this is the important part. ARR marks. Now what do we put in here? Now, which row do I want to be in? I want to be in row 3. So I need to fix the row. Fix the row. That's not going to change. The row is going to be 3 every time. And vary your column. That's going to be your C. End. That's it. So when C is 1, then I'm going to 3, 1. I'm going to 3, 1. When C is 2, I'm going to 3, 2. When C is 3, I'm going to 3, 3. And finally, when C is 4, I'm going to 3, 4. So that is how you would work with just one specific row. If they want you to do something with just one row, maybe find highest for that matter, find highest. Then same technique that we would use, create a variable high, if high is greater than, and you would just use a single loop, just like this. And your array, when referencing the array, you're going to reference it using 3, C. So that's how you work with one specific row.